Hi, I'm Erin Righetti here with Partnering 360 Insight at Bio Europe Spring in Turin, Italy. I'm here talking to John McDonald. He's the Vice President and Co-Head of Business Development and Mergers and Acquisitions at Biogen Idec. Yes. Welcome.
Thank you very much.
Sure. Now, describe your role within Biogen Idec.
So within Biogen Idec, we have the primary role of in-licensing the products which kind of round out and complement the part of our clinical development pipeline that we generate ourselves. So we go and scour the world for the products that can help us become a better company long term.
Now, I have to ask, when do you decide, is it better to partner or better to acquire a particular asset?
So that's actually a great question. It ultimately is driven by, it can be driven either by the company that you're trying to work with. They may come to you and say, we're a single asset company, it just makes sense to acquire us. And if it's a competitive situation, you'll do what the partner ultimately wants. I think if biotech or big biopharma had its choice, it would probably choose more frequently to partner. It's just simpler to interact on a partnership basis than it is to ultimately integrate a company and to deal with all of the extraneous sets of information that you don't really look forward to working with.
Right, that makes sense. What kinds of assets are you interested in now?
So the core strategic areas of interest for Biogen Idec are neurology or neurodegeneration, including our MS programs. Within there we also focus on Parkinson's, ALS, several other diseases, Alzheimer's, which we just did a deal on recently. Immunology is another strategic focus area. Beyond that, non-malignant hematology, and then tissue injury, repair, and fibrosis. So those are the main strategic areas. And then within those, we look for primarily now late preclinical assets through phase 1 and through phase 2. That's really the sweet spot that we're looking for, certainly over the next year or two.